I want to talk about your ambitious plan, your ambitious dividend. But first of all, I look at the share price. It's been up steadily since 2016. Do you worry that there's going to be an Italian discount depending on what government gets put in place?
Doesn't seem like. We launched Deliver 22, which is our 5-year plan, and have been on the road since. There was last week the official Capital Market Day for Poste, and investors are giving us a lot of interest, and we're positively surprised. Meetings are very long. They're asking for follow-up meetings, a lot of questions.
But this was before the elections. How many calls
No,
did
that
you
was
get?
already this week.
This week. So
yeah,
here,
this week.
Don't worry.
Did 10 meetings yesterday. And 1 hour is never enough for all the questions we have. And there is a lot of willingness to understand the background and the story that we're bringing to the market today, which is a very, I believe, realistic and solid story
it's very ambitious.
Presenting.
It's a very ambitious dividend. How will you continue revenue from, how will you grow revenue? Yeah,
we're growing revenues over the plan by 1%, but we're working on cost and efficiencies, so that makes a 10% growth year on year on operating margin, and that translates into a 13% growth in net profit. And that makes the dividend very sustainable. The actual payout is 60% over the course of the plan, even lower. The one we paid in the last 2 years was 80%. So it's not ambitious, it's realistic and conservative. And the plan is based on very realistic assumptions.
How will you change the postal group? Will you go into technology? Will you go into banking? If I speak to you in 5 years, how will Poste be different?
We're investing a lot in technology. We are number one today payment player in Italy. We have number one apps in the financial space. Our payment app and our financial institution app is over 15 million downloads each, just to give you a feel. And we believe that that's a space that will grow close to the branches. So it's not a parallel channel. It's a channel that will move into the branch. We will be able to sell digital products with our people, helping clients in their digital journey inside the branches.
But so is this inside technology? Is it technology that you build yourself, or would you also look at acquiring some technology from third parties?
No, we're basically building from inside. We have a technology tower with over 400 young guys very focused on building new applications. And customer experience is the name of the game, and customer satisfaction, customer journey. So we put the client at the center of our plan, and we have the means and the muscles to deliver this. We have 138,000 employees, and focusing a bit of them in the right direction makes a great difference.
So talk to me about banking. If I speak to you in 5 years, how much focus will be on banking?
I think compared to today, maybe slightly reduced, because we're broadening our product spectrum. We're starting to issue more P&C insurance products. We're already number one life company in Italy in terms of size, and now we're diversifying into P&C. So I don't think that we should go only financial. I think we should use our footprint, our network, to basically serve our clients on several clients on their needs.
Matteo Del Fante, so you don't want to talk politics because you say that actually for the moment, of course, but what would you be asking of the new government, right? What should business leaders, and what do you, as one of the chief executives of one of the biggest Italian companies, ask of whoever governs Italy next? What do you need from them?
Very little, to be entirely honest, because...
But you need growth.
Growth, yeah.
Reforms?
Reforms, growth, natural things that, any citizen would require.
Anything else? Integration with Europe, does that make your life easier or less easy?
I think companies such as Poste have to do integration themselves in their sectors, and we're very active at the European level, looking at the competitive landscape and clearly optimizing flows of logistics across countries, and at the same time looking at regulation at the European level. So it's more us, helping governments to do the right things in the sector.